Well, here we are, almost to the Hoover Dam. Sarah's driving, and she's doing a good job. Sheila's navigating the back seat. Yeah. I'm just hanging on, wet knuckling it. Beautiful day. We'll be hooking up with Dan and Barb and 20 other people. It's gonna be bunches of kayaks, bunches of canoes and people and gear. We gotta walk. Look at all these people walking. People walking. Welcome to Coloradao.
One can marvel at the tenacity,
Sweet.
skill of the fearless men that performed some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Hoover Dam project.
Oh, yeah. That's what we're putting in. Right over there. Sit. Tomorrow. Ready for the dam tour?
Yes, I am.
Are you really, baby? Okay.
It's the old exhibit center. There's a 10-minute presentation on the Coloradao River.
Gentlemen, a rare occasion. These are tourists. They're a species indigenous to this area. Please do not feed them. Right.
Check this out. Wow. Looks like a giant prison break in that cave that they dug. Hey, look at that.
Third generation dam worker. So those of you on the dam tour, Scott is also.
Tunnel looking out over the river. That is so cool. This is the stairway to heaven. Check this out. I'm gonna look over and look straight down. Right, turn around here. Okay, so let's start. Sunday morning. What's this? The 17th? St. Patty's Day?
No, get out.
It is.
Yes, it is.
St. Patty's Day. St. Patty's Day.
No green. Oh, right. Uh-oh.
That's okay. It doesn't matter because we're going down the river in the river's green. Anyway, we all ready?
Yes.
Everybody put your hands together. Let's do it. Yeah.
You extra the camp, or what was it about?
Final staging area. Put into the water. Feeling progress. Come on, down to the river.